Did you know those eggshells you usually throw away can actually transform your garden? Instead of wasting them, you can turn eggshells into a powerful natural fertilizer and pest control for your vegetable plants. First, I collect all my eggshells and store them in a Ziploc bag in the freezer. This keeps them fresh and prevents any smell. Once I have enough, I spread them on a baking sheet and bake them in a 200-degree Fahrenheit oven for about an hour. This step is important because it kills any bacteria and makes the shells easier to grind. After baking, I grind the eggshells. If I want to use them mainly as a calcium supplement for my plants, I grind them into a very fine powder. The finer the powder, the faster it breaks down in the soil and becomes available to plants. But if I want to use them for pest control, I leave some small coarse pieces. These sharp bits can help deter pests like slugs and snails. Now let's talk about why eggshells are so good for your garden. Eggshells are made up of about 90 to 95% calcium carbonate. Calcium is essential for plant growth and helps prevent problems like blossom end rot, especially in tomatoes, peppers, and zucchini. However, eggshells release calcium very slowly. So, for best result, mix the powder directly into the soil. For pest control, sprinkle the coarser pieces around your plants to create a barrier. Eggshells can also help improve soil health over time and slightly reduce soil acidity. Happy gardening!